All right, bosses, let's talk about something people love to ignore until it's too late. Accounting. Yeah, I know. You hear accounting and think of dusty spreadsheets and someone quietly judging your Starbucks receipts. But listen up. Accounting is way cooler than you think, and I'm about to prove it. Let's say you work at Mr. Whiskers and Company, the hottest luxury cat toy company on the planet. You make premium catnip mice that every spoiled feline wants. Business is purring, sales are strong, life is good. Then, in a meeting, someone says, "Hey, boss, what if we start selling tiny tuxedos for cats?" Marketing's hyped. We can totally sell that. Manufacturing's ready. We can totally make that. But before you go all in on the feline fashion industry, the real hero is the accountant. Now, this isn't some boring bean counter. This is the person who decides whether you'll be rich or just another meme. The accountant sits down with every department, marketing, sales, production, finance, and starts crunching. How much will the fabric cost? How much will it cost to sew? Can we charge enough that owners don't hiss at the price tag? They separate fixed costs like rent and equipment from variable costs like fabric and stitching. Then they build what's called a pro forma income statement, basically a forecast, showing how much profit those tiny tuxedos could make and how long before you claw back the money you spent starting the project. If the numbers add up, they'll tell the boss, "Go forth and conquer. Suit up those cats." And just like that, boom, you're not just making cat toys anymore. You're running a feline fashion empire because it doesn't just make sense. It makes dollars and purrs. That's the power of accounting. Accountants are like translators between chaos and clarity. They take all the confusing parts of business sales, costs, investments, cash flow, and turn them into one clear language everyone can understand. Want to know if your company's healthy? That's the balance sheet. Want to know if the tuxedos are actually profitable? That's the income statement. Want to see if there's enough cash to buy more catnip? That's the cash flow statement. Every smart business move, including new products, new stores, and new hires, all run through accounting first. Because numbers don't lie, even if your sales pitch does. So, yeah, accountants might not wear capes, but they keep the business flying. Accounting isn't just math, it's the language of business, and if you can speak it, you instantly become more valuable to your company, your team, and your wallet. Even if you never become an accountant, understanding how the numbers fit together makes you the kind of boss who sees opportunities before anyone else does. So next time someone jokes about accounting being boring, remind them without it, even Mr. Whisker's tuxedo dreams would fall apart faster than a cardboard box in the rain. All right, bosses, that's your lesson for today. Accounting might not be flashy, but it's how real businesses stay alive and how smart ones grow.